how we are going to source your working capital. So I can get loans from commercial banks. So commercial banks, they provide a very less rate of interest. So you can definitely go for loans from commercial banks. That is going to be very helpful for you. Public deposits in the form of shares, you can do that. Okay, and trade credit for you can get money for credit. Factoring, so financial service designed to help firm in managing their book debts and receivables. So there they are assigned to a bank called factor, and the cash is realized in advance from the bank. So you have a bank, they are assigned to a bank called factor, and from that factor you can say the amount of debt you have, and you can get the money, and you have to repay your debt as and when you get cash in your hand, and they will be managing their entire debt and receivables. So they are going to do it on behalf of you. Okay, discounting bills of exchange. So when goods are sold in credit, bills of exchange are generally drawn for acceptance by buyer of goods. So when you are going to sell the goods for credit, the buyer says that I'll be giving you money only after some period of time. Then that bills are drawn for a period of 3 to 6 months. So you have to draw the bills over this period to ensure that the money comes only after that date, because the goods are sold for credit. You will not get the money immediately. You will be getting the money only after 3 to 6 months after the goods are being sold. So you have to discount those bills of exchange because they are not actually contributing for money, because you don't have the money in hand after selling your goods. Bank overdraft and cash credit. So OD is allowed to withdraw. So if you have a current account in your in a bank, OD facility will be, overdraft facility is there. So overdraft will be given to customers, so they will be allowed to withdraw money from the current deposit up to a particular limit, and that amount has to be repaid immediately or in a short period of time, so that it will be considered as credit only. Cash credit allowed to borrow money up to specified limit against security. So you are to going to pledge something, and you are going to get money, that is going to be cash credit. So interest charge for both is higher than the other. So normal interest rate over these OD and CC will have higher interest rate. It is just for emergency purpose. You are borrowing money from bank for OD, overdraft and cash credit facilities, and advance from customers. Some customers, even before selling a product. And accrual account. So accrual account is time, actually the time gap between the income earned and actually received expenditure become and actually paid. So how much time gap means you're selling a product after a gap of 3 months, and when you're receiving the money. So that is going to be coming under accrual account, the time between income earned and actually received. So if you're selling the product, immediately you should have the exchange money with you. If it is not, that means how much time after which you're going to get the money. So that is going to be called as accrual account. So it becomes an expenditure and it has to be actually paid. So these are the different sources of working capital.